Good morning and welcome back, my dear students. In last video we have studied part 1 of chapter 7 and the topic was a and the. Today we will study the part 2 of the same chapter and we will learn the use of definite article the, and we will also revise the use of article a and an. This is given in your English grammar book chapter 7 of class 1. So let's start our new topic of discussion. Before we move forward, we will have a little recap in that what we have learned in our last video. So this is the introduction of our topic, and our topic is articles. Articles are divided into two parts: indefinite article and definite article. Indefinite articles are a and n, and definite article is the. Why we call them indefinite? Because indefinite articles we can use in front of any general thing, but definite article we use only in front of specific or special things, which we will study in detail in the coming slides. Look carefully, students. This is the example of definite article singular. The snake is dangerous. Here we are talking about a particular snake. That's why we have used definite article the, and snake is singular. The bicycle is yellow. Here we are talking about a particular bicycle which is yellow in color. And again we are talking about a single bicycle, so it is a singular one. These are the examples of plural definite articles. The apples are delicious. Here we are talking about the apples which are given in picture, and we have used the word apples which is plural. The second example is the books are important. Here we are talking about these particular books and not book. We are talking about books. So books are plural in number. So in this slide we have used the definite article the with the particular noun, with the plural nouns apples and books. Some more examples are there in front of which we use the definite article the. So we use definite article the before the name of a river. For example, the Ganga, the Yamuna. We use definite article the in front of the names of mountain ranges. For example, the Himalayas and the Alps. We also use definite article the in front of the names of famous historical buildings. For example, the Taj Mahal, the Red Fort. So, this is how we use the definite article the in front of different things. So, as we have studied in the earlier slide that we use the definite article the in front of the names of rivers, mountain ranges, famous historical buildings. Some more things are there before we use the definite article the. What are those? Those are given in this slide. As you can see, we use the in front of the names of natural bodies. Natural bodies means something which God has created, which are not human made. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth, the planets, all these things are God made, and we use article the before their names. Then we use article the in front of the names of or before the names of holy religious books. Holy religious books means the books which belong to a particular religion. For example, the Bible, which belong to Christians, the Ramayana, which belong to Hindus, the Quran, which belong to Muslims, and so on. Then we use definite article the in front of the names of newspapers. For example, the Times of India, the Hindustan Times, and all other newspapers also. Then we use definite article the before the names of musical instruments. What are musical instruments? Which we use for creating music. For example, the guitar, the flute, the tabla, the drum, the sitar. In front of all the musical instruments, we use definite article the. Now, as we are aware that articles a, n and the are divided into two parts, definite article and indefinite article. A and n comes under indefinite article and article the comes under definite article. Now we will have a quick recap where we use them. A is used in front of singular countable noun. Countable noun means which we can count. A person, animal or thing, which are not specific, which are not special, which are not particular. Any normal, any general thing, any general noun. We don't use a before uncountable or plural noun. Unaccountable means something which we cannot count. For example, stars which we cannot count or which are plural in number. If a noun starts with a consonant sound, a comes before the noun. Example, a cat, a bird, a child, a doctor, a house, a bike, a boy, a table. Now, where do we use article n? N is used in front of singular countable nouns which are not specific. Singular countable nouns. Say something which we can count. Nouns which we can count and which are not special, which are just general normal things. We don't use n before unaccountable or plural nouns. Uncountable means something which we cannot count. Countable which we can count. Unaccountable which we cannot count or which are plural in number. If the noun starts with a vowel sound, n comes before the noun. What are vowels? There are 5 vowels: a, e, I, o and u. For example, an apple, an egg, an ant, an orange, an hour, an aunt, an old man, an uncle. Here, H is not starting. H is not a vowel. It's a consonant. But in front of our, we have used article n. This also I have explained you. Here, we have written n because H is silent here. And we listen the sound of a. Now, what are the rules for using article the? We use the in front of all nouns. It does not matter whether the nouns are singular or plural, countable or uncountable. To describe someone or something specific or unique, स्पेशल चीजों को डिस्क्राइब करने के लिए हम डेफिनेट आर्टिकल द का यूज करते हैं. फिर नाउन चाहे काउंटेबल हो या अनकाउंटेबल हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल द अर्थ, the world, the air, the weather, the moon, the president, the CEO, the sun, etc. So, I have made a list of rules which we normally follow for the articles A and N. We use article A with singular countable noun. For example, I need a phone. I is singular. A word beginning with the consonant sound. A book, a university, a young man, a table, etc. Here, U is a vowel, but still we have used a, because here university, U gives the sound of y, not a. Uses of an. A word beginning with a vowel sound. An elephant, an hour, an air, an orange, etc. Here we have used article N in front of hour and air, both. Why? These H are not vowels, they are consonants. But both H are silent. And this gives the sound of a. We hear the sound of a. So we have used article N here. Now use of the. We use article the with the unique things. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the environment, etc. Similar nouns representing the whole class. The rose, the computer, the scientist. Here they are representing the whole class. Rose means all types of roses. Computer means all types of computers. Superlative degrees of adjectives. Before names of newspapers, magazines. For example, the Newsweek, the Time, the Hindustan Times, Punjab Kesari, anything in front of the names of newspapers and magazines also we use article the. This is time for homework. I hope you have understood the use of a and the pretty well. In this chapter you have to revise and practice all the topics I have explained in today's class. Watch this video carefully so that you can understand the topic, articles or the use of a, and or the. Revise the whole chapter and go through the details nicely and also learn all the rules nicely. So this is the end of our video, part 2 of chapter 7, a and the. What we have learned in this video? We have learned that the word a, and the are called articles. And these articles are divided into two parts. What are those parts? Definite article and indefinite article. The is definite article and a and n are indefinite article. We use a with the words start with consonant sound and we use n with the words starts with vowel sound. We use article the with remaining all the things which are God made in front of the names of rivers, mountains, historical buildings, natural bodies, names of newspapers, musical instruments, holy religious books with singular or plural, all. So, to understand the concept, you can go through the video again, listen it carefully. We'll meet again with the third part of the chapter. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.